Welcome to our video on copyright law and its impact on the film industry in Malaysia. In this video, we will cover the basics of copyright law, understanding intellectual property, and how it applies to the film industry. We will also highlight benefits for filmmakers, discuss challenges, and the importance of enforcement, featuring a case study from Malaysia. Let's get started. Let's explore what copyright law is and what it protects. Copyright is a legal right granted to creators, allowing them to print, publish, and sell copies of their original work for a set number of years. In Malaysia, this is governed by the Copyright Act of 1987 and is part of intellectual property law, protecting creators' works, including films. Copyright protects the expression of an idea, not the idea itself. For example, a film can be copyrighted, but the ideas behind it cannot be. Copyright belongs to the person who expresses the idea in a tangible form, meaning if you create something original, you own the copyright. Lastly, copyright covers both published and unpublished works and applies automatically when the work is created and fixed in a tangible form.
Intellectual property comprises intangible asset. It can't be touched and it isn't necessary in a physical form and is made using human intellect. Types of intellectual property. Patent. A patent is the legal entitlement granted to investor by Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia. This right provides the inventor with exclusive control over the invention. The inventor applies for a patent and submits a specification detailing the invention. Like most countries, applicants should file their patent as soon as possible because it's the first to file based in Malaysia. Copyright. It grants authors and creators of original content the exclusive right to use, copy, and reproduce their material. Additionally, copyright allows creators to authorize others to use their work through licensing agreement granted by MyIBO. Also, creators receive automatic copyright protection upon creating the original content in Malaysia without needing to register, as it is immediately safeguarded by copyright law under Section 10 of the legislation.
In the movie industry, as guardian of creativity, copyright plays a crucial role in protecting the creative elements that give life to a story. By safeguarding these important elements, copyright creates an innovative and fair environment in which filmmakers and actors can thrive and continue to produce content that people love. It protects the script, the film, the original soundtrack, and the characters to ensure that the creators can control and benefit from their works. From the script writing stage to final production, every element is protected by the copyright symbol and identified on the film cardboard on set. Additionally, this legal protection allows creators to retain ownership and earn recognition from their contributions. This is essential to maintaining fairness in filmmaking and encouraging continued creativity.
Copyright grants filmmakers exclusive rights such as reproduction, distribution, and also public display of their films. This right enables filmmakers to control the copying, distribution, channels, and also public screening of their work by safeguarding their creative vision and financial investment. By preventing unauthorized use and ensuring proper compensation, copyright law encourages filmmakers to invest in innovative projects and support the overall health of the film industry. This legal framework not only protects individual creators but also promotes cultural diversity and enhances public access to a variety of creative works.
Challenges in the film industry. Piracy and unauthorized distribution continue to pose significant challenges that weaken the revenue and sustainability of the film industry. Illegal access to copyrighted content, whether through physical pirated DVDs or online streaming, deprives production companies of the financial resources needed to fund future projects, pay cast and crew, and maintain the overall viability of the industry. This loss of revenue can lead to reduced budgets, fewer opportunities, and a decline in the quality and diversity of content available to audiences. Piracy messes up the movie business in a way that makes it really tough for honest companies that sell and rent movies to stay in business, especially for smaller independent films and foreign movies that have a smaller audience.
Copyright law is crucial for protecting the intellectual property rights of legal professionals. The Malaysian government and industry closely enforce copyright through raids, legal action, and online monitoring. This framework grants judges and lawyers exclusive right over reproducing, distributing, and publicly displaying their work, allowing them to safeguard their expertise and investment. By preventing unauthorized use and ensuring proper attribution, copyright law incentivizes legal experts to contribute their knowledge, upholding the integrity and accessibility of Malaysia's justice system for the public.
Successful enforcement cases highlight the importance of copyright protection in maintaining the integrity and profitability of the film industry. For example, Nichols versus Universal Pictures Corp. 1930 is a landmark case. Playwright Anne Nichols sued Universal Pictures for copying substantial parts of her play. The court ruled in her favor, setting a crucial precedent for protecting creative works. This case ensures that filmmakers and writers can create original content without fear of unauthorized use or replication, reinforcing the value of intellectual property rights in the industry.
Let's look at how we can understand and preserve the copyright law. Understanding and supporting copyright law is essential for the growth of Malaysia's film industry. It is important to do so as it brings greater importance to all the aspects of film industry. It is important to preserve culture and heritage. By preserving copyright law, we can also encourage creative expression and the advancement of knowledge by providing authors, artists, and other creators with exclusive rights over their effort. In a nutshell, it is important to preserve and uphold the copyright law to have limitation and expectations. Thank you.